Hi, my name is Padma Parupudi and I am the director at Abhyas Law Prep. Let's talk about a career in law, choice or last resort. Sometimes students face very strange situations. When a student opts for a non-science stream or takes up science stream but decides to take up a career in law, some people start asking very embarrassing questions. Did you get a low CGPA in 10th? You didn't get seat in MPC? Not going for engineering or medicine? They look at you as if you didn't have any choice and hence had to settle for a career in law. Why does society look down upon students aspiring for a career in law? Have you ever faced this kind of situation? Believe me, this is entirely a misconception. Over the years, based on our education system and the way society has evolved, there is a valid reason why people assume like this. In the past, there were limited opportunities for education, and jobs were mostly considered good only if they were government jobs. In such a scenario, after graduation, if students did not get a job, they would go on to do LLB, another graduation degree in law, instead of sitting at home. So now you understand why such queries come up. Slowly there is a change as the awareness improves, with more and more people today choosing law over engineering and medicine. Today, I find students in 8th or 9th standard deciding that they want to study law. A career in law is no longer considered a last resort option. It is a first preference for a whole bunch of students, and not just those who come from a family of lawyers. With the advent of the National Law School starting from NLSIU Bangalore in 1988, legal education in India has undergone a transformation. What was once a last resort option is now turning into a much sought after career. And why not? Famous lawyers like Ram Jethmalani, Harish Salve, Fali S. Nariman, K.K. Venugopal, Kapil Sibal have brought name and fame to the profession. Some of these lawyers charge as high as rupees 25 lakhs for a single appearance in court. There's no doubt that the legal profession is financially rewarding. Starting salaries for NLS graduates can even be as high as 15 to 18 lakhs per annum, which means around 1.5 lakhs per month. These jobs can be secured through campus placements even before they complete their course. Lawyers earn on par or even more than their engineering counterparts. Coming to competition, CLAT 2021 was attempted by around 53,500 students for nearly 2,600 seats. For every 20 students who appear for CLAT, one student gets into an NLU. Compared to the JEE and NEET, the awareness about CLAT is still very low in the country, and hence competition is yet to scale up. So what are you waiting for? Grab the opportunity today as you have better chance. The journey of preparing for the CLAT exam is less stressful than that of JEE or NEET. Here, the reasoning skills of a student are evaluated rather than the knowledge. So the student needs to develop good reading speed and excellent reasoning skills. Awareness of what is happening in the country and beyond, along with an understanding of the rationale for various events, laws, judgments is expected. There's no need to study hours together and memorize complex formulae, algorithms and concepts. All that a student needs to do is to develop general awareness and reasoning skills, which will help him or her sail through the CLAT exam. There is a wide array of specializations that one can choose: litigation, criminal law, ADR, IPR, taxation, corporate law, labor law, real estate law, and so on. In fact, students can intern in various law firms specializing in different areas so that they have good exposure and can take informed decisions. Career-wise, they can join law firms, corporate lawyers, judicial services, legal journalists, analysts. There are a plethora of opportunities for budding lawyers who can scale great heights. Lawyers are the go-to people in society, just like doctors. The fame and respect that they command is immense. Everyone likes to have a lawyer that they can consult whenever they have a problem. Law is an intellectually demanding profession and an emotionally satisfying one too. It's always in demand. So are you still in a dilemma whether to take up law? Don't hesitate, as you are making an informed decision and you will not have any regrets. Just stop worrying about what people will think. They will change their opinion once they see your success.